it repeals certain provisions under the Banking Act for approval of fees, charges, and other sort of requirements or other prudential guidelines or other items from the Banking Act, which really effectively leaves bank customers at the whims of banks in respect of fees and charges. Thirdly, it repeals provisions in the Banking Act for the CBK to deal with reckless lending by banks. So here you are a regulator and you cannot control reckless lending by banks. Then why are you in power? Why are you working as a regulator?